How to add recorded audio in KineMasters. Let's begin with the tutorial. Firstly, open your KineMaster. Then over here you can see the option of audio. You can also record an audio in KineMaster by tapping on record, and make sure you allow the KineMaster to use your audio. Here you can see the option of audio, tap on it. There you can see the option of albums, artists and song recorded. Go to songs. There you can see I have recorded some of my voice. Here are some voice recording of mine.
Hello guys, welcome back to
Tap on the add icon like this. You can add your recorded audio in KineMaster. Make sure you remember the name of the so that it will be easier to find the audio that you are looking for. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such content.